Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. Now let's see other examples. How to eliminate theta from following. Now we are given x is equal to 3 sec theta and y is equal to 4 tan theta. We have to eliminate theta from the equation. So we will simplify it. This will be x upon 3 will be equals to sec theta. Similarly, y upon 4 will be equals to tan theta. X upon 3, this is y upon 4. Now we know the identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. 1 plus, we have the value of tan square theta as y upon 4 square, and sec square theta value is x upon 3 bracket square. So this will be equals to x upon 3 square. This whole value will be shifted to over there, plus y upon 4 bracket square will be minus y upon 4 bracket square. We will, if you want to simplify, you can simplify it like x square upon 9 minus y square upon 16 is equals to 1. We will cross multiply it. 16 into x square minus 9 into y square upon this will be 9 into 16, which will be equals to 1. Now 16x square minus 9y square is equals to 9 into 16 is 144. So 1 into 144 will be 144. This will be our equation eliminating theta. Now let's see one more example on how to eliminate theta. First, we are given x is equal to 5 plus 6 cosec theta and y is equal to 3 plus 8 cot theta. We will shift plus 5 over there. So this will be x minus 5 is equals to 6 cosec theta. Now this 6 we will shift over here. So this will be x minus 5 upon 6 is equal to cosec theta. Similarly, from here we will do it to the cot. Y plus 3 will be shifted over here. That will be y minus 3 equals to 8 cot theta. Shifting 8 over here, that will be y minus 3 upon 8 equals to cot theta. Now we know the identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta's value is y minus 3 upon 8 bracket square is equal to cosec theta value is x minus 5 upon 6 bracket square. Now we will shift this to that side to RHS. So this will be 1 equals to x minus 5 upon 6 bracket square minus y upon 3 upon 8 bracket square. So this is the equation where theta is eliminated. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.